Azure Synapse trigger types are a crucial component of data integration pipelines, allowing you to automate workflows and respond to specific events. In this guide, we will explore the different types of triggers available in Azure Synapse and provide tips on how to use them effectively. First, let's start with the basics. Azure Synapse supports two primary trigger types: scheduled triggers and event triggers. Scheduled triggers allow you to run pipelines at regular intervals, such as daily or weekly, while event triggers respond to specific events, like the arrival of new data. When working with scheduled triggers, it's essential to consider the frequency and timing of your pipeline runs. For example, if you have a pipeline that loads data from an on-premises database, you may want to schedule it to run during off-peak hours to avoid impacting performance. Event triggers, on the other hand, provide more flexibility and allow you to respond to specific events in real time. For instance, you can create an event trigger that fires when new data is uploaded to a storage account, allowing you to process the data immediately. Another key concept to understand is the difference between tumbling window triggers and sliding window triggers. Tumbling window triggers fire at regular intervals, such as every hour, while sliding window triggers fire when a specific condition is met, like when a certain amount of data is available. To get the most out of Azure Synapse trigger types, follow these best practices. First, use scheduled triggers for predictable workflows and event triggers for real-time data processing. Second, consider the frequency and timing of your pipeline runs to avoid impacting performance. Third, use tumbling window triggers for regular intervals and sliding window triggers for dynamic conditions. In practical terms, let's say you have a pipeline that loads data from a cloud storage account. You can create an event trigger that fires when new data is uploaded, and then use a tumbling window trigger to process the data in batches every hour. In conclusion, understanding Azure Synapse trigger types is crucial for building efficient and scalable data integration pipelines. By following these tips and best practices, you can automate your workflows, respond to specific events, and get the most out of your data. Remember to consider the frequency and timing of your pipeline runs, and use the right trigger type for your specific use case.